I can get ready for school all by myself by Jane Maître. Maya can wake up by herself. She can make her own bed. She can put on her school clothes. She can wash her face in the bathroom. She can pour her own cereal in a bowl. She can even pour the milk carefully. She can eat up all the cereal. She can put her bowl and spoon in the sink and wash them. She can wipe the table where she ate. She can make a sandwich and put it in her lunchbox with some fruit. She can put her lunchbox in her school bag. Maya can go to the bathroom and brush her teeth. She can wipe her mouth with a towel. She can brush her own hair. She can put it back with a tie. She can put on her socks and her shoes. And now Maya is ready for school. She kisses her mum and dad. Have a great day at school, Maya. The end.
Storyberries.